Yes. Good afternoon, all. We are doing chapter number 6, clothing. Open your books at page 46. Clear? On that day, we have done that. Okay, why do we use the clothes? Why do we wear the clothes? Write it in the chat box. Why do we wear the clothes? We wear clothes. क्लोथ्स हम वियर करते हैं इन ऑर्डर टू प्रोटेक्ट आवरसेल्फ ओके to cover our body. Very good, you are writing, Vinay. Good answer. All of you should participate through the chat. Okay, be very attentive, be very active when you are sitting in the class. Sit properly and be attentive. To cover the body, to protect our body against the insect bites. They protect us from heat, cold, sun, rain. Okay, good answers. Now, what is used to make the clothes? We wear clothes, we look smart, okay, we look decent and very good. So, what is used to make the clothes? What is used? Thread, fibers, very good. Okay, yes. Now, what is in my hand? What is it? Cotton. It is a fiber. The fiber is used to make the, if we stretch, थोड़ा सा इसको हम स्ट्रेच करेंगे एंड व्हेन वी ट्विस्ट इट, थोड़ा सा आप इसको खींचते जाओ और ट्विस्ट करते जाओ तो यू विल सी यू आर एबल टू मेक द yarn. What is I am making? Yarn. I am just हल्का हल्का ट्विस्ट स्ट्रेच कर रही हूँ, इसको खींच रही हूँ and I am twisting it. तो I'll be able to make a yarn from this. What is this? Fiber of cotton. तो this way you can make the yarn. Same way जैसे आपके मम्मा जब दिया जलाते हैं तो वो बाती बनाते हैं ना, हाथ पे रख के उसको ट्विस्ट करते हैं तो वो भी yarn बना रहे होते हैं, वो थोड़ा सा थिक होता है. This way you can twist the fiber in order to make the yarn. And this yarn is used to make we interlace the set of two threads or a set of yarns in order to make the fabric or cloth. Clear? Is it visible? ऐसे आप stretch करके yarn बना सकते हो. Same process है, ऐसे ही stretch करके twist करके factories में machines के through yarn बनाती है. उनकी speed ज़्यादा होती है, factories में बड़ी बड़ी machines होती हैं तो वो large scale पे ऐसे yarn बनाती हैं from the fibers and fabrics are formed. Fabric is formed and or we can say cloth is formed which is used to make your dresses. आपकी ड्रेस बनाने के लिए जो क्लोथ बन आता है, जो पीस फैब्रिक होता है, इट इज मेड बाय ट्विस्ट. जो क्लोथ बनता है इट इज मेड बाय वीविंग. आई हैव सीन कि आपके पास जो करमन आपने बनाया हुआ है, but this is made by you in the previous class. Now you have to use a yarn or woolen threads. Woolen strings आपने use करके इसको सेम वे जैसे आपने प्रीवियस क्लास में पेपर स्ट्रिप्स यूज की थी, सेम वे आपने वीविंग करनी है टू मेक द piece of cloth. Hope you will make it and you will send the video to me. Done? So yes मैम बताया था कि ऐसे आपने स्ट्रिंग्स यूज करनी है. यू हैव टू कीप 8 to 10 स्ट्रिंग्स लॉन्गिट्यूडनली. फिर आप मैम करना है. यस बेटा. मैम यस
मैम जो आप ये डायग्राम बनाना सिखा रहे हो मैम, उसकी फोटो भेजोगे?
फोटो आप भेजोगे मुझे, आप वीव करोगे. ओके आप ऐसे स्ट्रिंग्स को रख के जैसे मैंने लास्ट क्लास में बताया था, पेपर स्ट्रिप करके सेम वे आपने स्ट्रिंग्स यूज करके पेपर पीस ऑफ क्लॉथ बनाना है. देन यू हैव टू सेंड द पिक टू मी. ओके
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, now we are going to share the screen. By the time I am sharing the screen, you will write what is weaving. What do you mean by weaving? This we have done earlier. Okay, you have done one activity also. So write it in the chat box. What do you mean by the term weaving? Weaving क्या है बेटा? What is weaving? It is the process of, very good. It is the process of making the cloth by interlacing two sets of fibers, two sets of yarn or two sets of thread. Clear? दो सेट हमने थ्रेड के लेने हैं, एक को लॉन्गिट्यूडली रख लेते हैं, दूसरे को फिर हम उसको यूज करके ओवर एंड अबव द अदर स्ट्रिंग्स वी interlace them, interlock them. Beta unmute, don't unmute yourself. Yes. Clear? What is weaving? You have to write it in the chat box. Some students are writing, but others are not writing. You have to be very attentive. You have to take part. Okay? Be attentive and write in the chat box what I asked you to write. So what is weaving? It is the method of formation of cloth. Beta, mute yourself.
इससे पासे हाथ मार दिया तानी ना समझ
बैठा नु के केड़ा तुम्हारे फोन से रात
Beta, mute yourself.
साव से कर देती सीरानी
So
ओ देख की कर दिया
ओदे अली दे रही मैं हैं
yes, Dilshan, get up, mute yourself. Yes, it is a process of making a cloth by interlocking fiber. Very good answer, Niti. Karman has also answered. So what is weaving? It is a process of formation of cloth by interlocking the two sets of fiber. We interlock them at right angles. Right angle means 90 degree के angle पे हम उनकी interlocking करते हैं. One string above and another one उसके under it. Okay, under and over strings के ऊपर और नीचे करके हम उनको interlock कर देते हैं. That is how we form the clothes. That is called weaving. Clear? Now next, what we are going to do? Today we will do कि fibers can be natural or man-made. Some of the fibers are natural and some of the fibers are man-made. Man-made के लिए एक और term use होती है synthetic. Synthetic means we don't find them naturally. Natural means either taken from plants or from animals. Naturally मिलते हैं हमें वो, हम उनको खुद फैक्ट्रीज में नहीं बनाते. Either we obtain them from plants or from the animals. So some of the fibers that we obtain from plants are jute, cotton, flax, linen, etc. Okay, and some are obtained from animals, like wool is obtained from sheep, silk is obtained from silkworm. Clear? Leather is obtained from the skin of dead animals. So these are the natural fibers. And synthetic, they are made from chemicals. You can see, you can open your book at page 48. Synthetic fibers are obtained from chemicals or from the crude oil. What do you mean by crude oil? It is the liquid present under the ground, which is a mixture of petroleum, diesel, natural gas, kerosene oil. ये सब चीजें हम crude oil से obtain करते हैं. Okay, so जो leftover material होता है, that can be used to make the synthetic fibers. Clear? Nylon etc. उससे बनते हैं. So nylon, polyester, rayon, these are the examples of synthetic fibers. Okay. Now you can look at this image. These are natural fibers. Wool is there, silk is there, and cotton is there. from we obtain the cotton? From the cotton plant. So it is, this fiber is obtained from the plant. And this way we can twist the cotton fiber to make the yarn. वो जैसा मैंने हाथ से किया तो वो एक मशीन, मैनुअली ऑपरेटेड मशीन यूज हो रही है. वी कॉल इट चरखा ऑल्सो. सो दिस इज जो जिसके ऊपर वो ट्विस्ट हो रहा है उसको हम कहते हैं तकली. क्लियर? तो that is used, this instrument is used to twist the fiber, and that fiber is then changed into yarn. And yarn से हम बनाते हैं threads और fabric. Fabric means cloth, जिसको then later on you use for making the dresses. Clear to you? Yes? Show me your thumbs up if it is clear. Okay. Yes. Then next is cotton is obtained from cotton plant. Now this is how do we obtain the wool from the sheep. Sheep has hair, जो उसके fine hair होते हैं very near to the body, we call it fleece. So fleece of the sheep is used to make wool. This is the process of removing the hair or fleece from the body of the sheep. We call it shearing. जैसे आपने देखा होगा आपके अंकल, आपके पापा, या समवन किसी और को आपने देखा होगा शेविंग करते हैं ना, तो जो डेड ऊपर वाली जो स्किन होती है उसके ऊपर से जो हेयर है दे आर रिमूव, तो उनको पेन नहीं होती. सेम वे ऐसे मैनुअली और बाय यूजिंग मशीन्स hair of the sheep is removed, okay, in order to make it into wool. So इससे फैक्ट्रीज में इसकी पहले क्लीनिंग करते हैं, क्योंकि हेयर में डस्ट होती है, ग्रीस होती है, तो इसको पहले रिमूव करते हैं, वॉशिंग करते हैं हेयर की. देन आफ्टर दैट उसकी प्रोसेसिंग होती है. देन दैट हेयर, दोज हेयर दे आर यूज्ड, दे आर टर्न्ड इनटू वूल. क्लियर? ये प्रोसेसिंग बाद में होती है, देन आफ्टर क्लीनिंग इट एंड वॉशिंग इट. एंड सिल्क वी ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम द सिल्कवर्म. व्हेन सिल्कवर्म इज एट द cocoon स्टेज, तो cocoon को हम डालते हैं इन द बॉइलिंग वाटर और इन द वार्म वाटर, देन वी कैन मेक अ सिल्क फाइबर्स. तो ऐसे कोकून देख रहे हो ना, जो गोल गोल बॉल्स आपको दिख रही हैं, दीज आर कोकून्स. इनके अंदर लार्वा ग्रो हो रहा है इनटू इंसेक्ट. फुली ग्रोन इंसेक्ट में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है. उसने अपने आप के अराउंड एक प्रोटीन के फाइन थ्रेड्स, जो फाइन फाइबर्स में अपने आप को रैप किया हुआ है. सो दीज आर टू पुट इन द वार्म वाटर. देन वी ऑब्टेन द सिल्क थ्रेड्स और सिल्क फाइबर्स, इससे हम ऑब्टेन करते हैं. एक कोकून से 1000 फीट तक जो है लॉन्ग फाइबर, लॉन्ग यार्न ऑब्टेन कर सकते हैं.
बहुत मैं सुना है कि तुसी पारसा जे
फिलन बेटा, unmute yourself. Don't unmute yourself, बेटा. Keep your mic muted. Clear? To make silk, silkworm is used. Okay, silkworm जब cocoon stage पे होता है, then we use these cocoons to obtain the silk fiber. So it is also natural. Silk is also natural. There are some other plants also which are used to obtain fiber. Coconut, fruit of the coconut is also fibrous. So this can be used in order to obtain coconut fiber that is used to fill the cushions. Okay, some other items are obtained from coconut. Flax, आप second picture में देख रहे हो, flax is also a plant which is used to obtain the fiber. And then after that, नीचे आप देख रहे हो jute plant is there. Jute plant is also obtained to make the jute fiber. Jute fiber can be used to make the sofa cover, जूट के बैग्स आपने देखे होंगे, बेड शीट्स भी आती हैं, कर्टन्स बनते हैं, फ्लोर मैट्स बनते हैं. So all these are the fibers which are obtained naturally. Clear? Either from plants or animals. Now we will do the synthetic fibers. Write down the name of synthetic fibers in the chat box. Yes, name a few synthetic fibers which we do not found naturally. ये हम plant से और animal से नहीं obtain करते. These are made in the factories. These are made in the factories by using chemicals or by using crude oil. So, synthetic fibers are
Ma'am,
also used for
not
making
coming.
clothes. Okay. Can you tell some of the characteristics of synthetic fibers? Synthetic fibers are very popular. Bhumi, unmute yourself, beta. Can you tell me a few characteristics of synthetic fibers?
Yes, ma'am.
Which make them different from the natural? Yes, beta. Ji,
La 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 la.
yes, who is this? Yes, first of all, why are they popular? Because they are lightweight. As compared to natural fibers, इनका weight light होता है. They dry quickly. तो जल्दी ड्राई हो जाती हैं, जल्दी सूख जाते हैं. हम धूप में इनको डालते हैं तो वो ड्राई जल्दी हो जाते हैं. Then they are wrinkle free. They are resistant to wrinkles. Okay, they resist wrinkles means उनको वल नहीं पड़ते. We do not need them to iron. Do not. Okay, we do not.
La la la.
Yes, we do not iron them. इनको हम iron नहीं करते. And they are easy to dye. Coloring करना इनका easy होता है as compared to natural fibers. That's why they are popular. That's why इनकी strength भी ज़्यादा होती है as compared to cotton. Cotton के जो clothes हैं, they get faded easily. Fade हो जाते हैं. Colors are not so strong. Their strength is less as compared to synthetic. Okay, they long last. ज़्यादा चलते हैं. ज़्यादा देर तक खराब नहीं होते. Colors fade नहीं होते. So there are some characteristics of synthetic fibers. But there are disadvantages also. That's why we prefer cotton clothes. एक disadvantage तो आपने अभी किया है second chapter में. Can you write it? While working in the kitchen, we should not wear synthetic clothes because they catch fire easily. Like nylon catch fire easily. Okay, nylon clothes, they catch fire easily, so we should not wear them in the kitchen. So this is the disadvantage. And they do not allow body heat to escape. इसमें हमें गर्मी लगती है if we wear in the summers. Because जो हमारी बॉडी हीट है उसको वो escape नहीं होने देते, exit नहीं होने देते, बाहर नहीं जाने देते, clear, air circulate नहीं होती. And they do not absorb sweat. पसीना नहीं सोखते. Okay, then sweat will stick to the body and we will not feel comfortable. So these are the disadvantages. Now types of clothes. We wear different types of clothes on different occasions. What do you wear when you come to school? Write it. Yes, what do you wear when you come to
Uniform.
school? Yes, school uniform. Clear? You wear the school uniform.